Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am very excited to share with you my coffee experience. I have decided to start grinding my own beans, so I've been looking for a bean source, and of course I've been looking for a grinder. These are all great price points. I went with the Proctor Silex, very simple to use and at a great price point. I've also found Amazon's Fresh brand, great price point. I love the Colombian, the medium roast, and also this breakfast blend, Donut Cafe. I really like this as well. Makes a great cup of coffee, and the grinder works fantastic. It's simple to use, so let me go ahead and show that to you. So here's the grinder. I'm going to put the beans in for probably about a half a cup or half a pot. This will make up to a 12 cup pot of coffee. If you fill it up all the way, it'll be 12 cups. So this is about a half a cup. Look how dark those beans are. This is a medium roast, and you simply just put this in and then just grind it like that. I actually want to keep it flat down. You don't want to hold it like that, but so basically just do it that way, and has a little safety so it won't run unless the lid is on. Again, great price point, easy to use, and there you have it. I love these brands, so hope this helps you out. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!